Japan.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another summer vlog. This one may be the best yet because today Finn and I are going ziplining and I am so excited. I have not been ziplining in years and the last time I did it I really enjoyed it. So that is what we're doing today. Right now it is 9:45. We're probably going to aim to leave my house around 10:30 because we need to get there around 1 and we want to make sure that we find the place all right, and it takes like an hour and 45 minutes to get there. It is going to be such a fun day and I cannot wait to film it. So let's go ahead and get started with our day. Here is the outfit I'm wearing. I am just wearing this striped tank top from Old Navy, I think, and then these purple Nike shorts and my Brooks running shoes. It is 1:30 and we have our zip lining starting at 2:40, but we have to be there an hour early, said. So we are about to go in after we spray ourselves with sunscreen and bug spray, and it's a really lovely day. We drove through Harper's Ferry. We were hoping to get out and walk, but you had to pay for parking or all the free parking was taken up, which sucked. Okay, I shall put this camera away and we will transition to the GoPro.
Pain reaction.
We're probably more than halfway done.
I thought we had only 2 more.
We might have only one more 2 more lines to go, but we're having a really lovely time and it's not as hot as I was thinking it was going to be, so that's good. And it's really fun, so go ziplining if you haven't before.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your arms. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you listen. And you listen.
Hello! So we just finished our zip lining and it was so much fun. If you come here, ask for Jacob and Dakota because they were very lovely instructors and it was really fun. And now we're gonna go to Sonic because I've never been and there's one nearby, so I figured that would be the perfect dinner spot. But yeah, the weather was perfect and the course, I thought it was a good length. It wasn't too short or it wasn't like overly long where I was starting to get like, all right, let's get this over with. Yummy. I got myself a nice chicken tender basket. Finn got a water and a root beer and a corn dog and a burger. I got an Oreo cheesecake milkshake and a root beer. So tomorrow I'm gonna eat broccoli.
initial reaction and everything, I think I know.
What did you say?
It looks like my mama's burger.
That's a good thing. That is good.
It really looks awful.
This is good though.